Hey everybody, welcome to day 54 of the Hodl and Shill Bitsgap follow along. I was gone over the weekend from Friday until last night, and so we're starting over here and picking up on day 54. So as of right now, our profit is $3,849, and that is a total of 37.03% overall profit. And as of day 50, which would have been Thursday, we were at $3,707 and 36.34% overall. So we have established, we've netted around $142 in profit over the last 4 days. And let's take a look at our, we'll do this by average daily. And we can see here that our FTM3L has been 4.27% profit overall. It's out of range. Bitcoin is down at a low. Everything is kind of down right now in the markets, and we are down here in our stop trail, so it is out of range. And then we've got Luna. Luna's at 23.88% over. That's 2.99% a day, and so $59 in profit over the last 8 days. Then we have our Matic 3S, which is at 2.36% a day, and that's at $58 profit overall, 23.61. BTC3L, we started this together 3 days ago. That's at 2% a day profit, only $3 in profit overall, but 6.22% considering what we started. Going back to our last video, what happened was when I stopped the ARPA bot, one of the things I didn't take into effect was that money was in Coinbase, so we did not have the USDT funds to start the next bot on KuCoin because those USD funds were in Coinbase when we stopped that bot. So that's exactly what happened there, just as an update. Matic 3L is at $57 profit overall, 12.45%. That's 1.25% a day over the last 10 days. And then, of course, our Elon is faithful at 82.75%, which is $414 in profit, 1% a day for the last 2 months and 22 days. It's pretty impressive. Luna 3L. Our Luna 3L is just kicking ass here at $343 profit, 78.64%, just under 1% a day for 2 months and 20 days, but that's really impressive. And then, of course, our Jasmy is at $999, 78% overall profit, 0.88% a day, and it is out of range. It's been out of range for quite some time. We're just waiting for it to pop back up. XYO is at 58.46% a day, 0.74% for 2 months and 18 days, and that's 191% in profit, or $191 in profit, I'm sorry. Then we have our Spell USD. Spell is at $63 in profit, 23.72%, and that's in 1 month and 2 days. It's currently out of range. We'll wait for that to pop back up. And let's just go by our bot profit and look at the worst performers down here at the bottom and see what we've got. Okay, so we've got our BTC3L. That's just been running for 3 days, so we're not worried about that. BTC, of course, is one of our worst performers at 0.09% in 1 month and 21 days. Bitcoin has just gone down, and it's just been sideways, so that's understandable. We're going to leave that running to catch it on the way up. And then we've got our CRO. CRO USD is at 7.87% in 1 month and 17 days. That's 0.16%. So just kind of going sideways here. We'll see what we can catch on the way up. That actually probably has to do with the fact that this is at 45 grids. So it's getting a little bit more traction, more trades inside of those grids. We might have to adjust that. We'll see what we do. For now, it's fine. But that's it. We won't go over every single one. Those are the updates based on the average daily profit. And we're back to our normally routine schedule here. And we'll see you tomorrow. Thanks.